Hello everyone, I'm Isha.
And I'm Sabi.
And you're watching Bookmarked. Today we'll be talking about books, you guessed it, that will make you laugh out loud.
Books can be sad.
But there are many books that will make you want to roll over with laughter. Okay, whatever.
Anything about Boo is funny to little kids.
So we thought The Dinosaur That Pooped Christmas by Tom Fletcher would be really funny for the little ones.
Another funny stories collection is Where the Sidewalk Ends by Shel Silverstein, which he wrote and illustrated.
There are many books by Shel Silverstein that are great reads. Most of them are illustrated by him as well and are extremely funny.
Let's Pretend This Never Happened, a mostly true memoir by Jenny Lawson. This book is actually about the author's most embarrassing moments, which is really amazing because it makes the reader cringe and laugh at the same time.
Then we have Me Talk Pretty One Day by David Sedaris. Sedaris is a really funny writer and Me Talk Pretty One Day is really one of the best.
And then there's The Breakfast of the Champions by Kurt Vonnegut, which is a funny look at 1970s America through the eyes of an unintentional murderous Asian writer. Classic Kurt satire.
Peanut is a really cute story about this old woman who loses her dog and makes an elephant her new dog. And then when her old dog Peanut comes back, she is really sad until she finds a camel and decides it's her new cat. Linus Alsanas, the writer of the story, has done a terrific job with the illustrations in this book. Why are you laughing?
An elephant dog, a camel cat.
In my defense, we are talking about funny stories. So let's recap.
So first, we have The Dinosaur That Pooped Christmas by Tom Fletcher.
Next, we had Where the Sidewalk Ends by Shel Silverstein.
Then we had Let's Pretend This Never Happened, a mostly true memoir by Jenny Lawson.
Then we had Me Talk Pretty One Day by David Sedaris.
Then we had The Breakfast of Champions by Kurt Vonnegut.
And lastly, we had Peanut by Linus Alsanas. Our top 5 funny books for this week are
The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams.
Election by Tom Perrotta.
Diary of a Wimpy Kid by Jeff Kinney.
Confessions of a Teenage Drama Queen by Diane Sheldon.
And The Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants by Anne Brashares.
You should all go and read these books.
And we'll be back next week with more books and even more reviews.
Until then, keep it bookmarked. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.